Senslyt is marketed as a trendy women's fashion store with stylish dresses, viral products, and big discounts. But the real question is a legit place to shop or just another questionable online store? Here's the reality. What it claims to be. At first glance, Senslyt looks like a typical fashion e-commerce site offering dresses, loungewear, and accessories, heavy discounts, viral products with thousands of reviews. It looks polished, but that doesn't automatically mean it's trustworthy. What it does right, no major malware or phishing flags. Security scans show the site is not currently flagged as dangerous by major providers. Use a standard e-commerce setup, built on Shopify. Supports common payment methods like PayPal. Backend index pointing right, this means it's a functional store, not an outright fake website. Where it gets questionable. 1. Only a moderate trust score, not strong. Trust score, 58 out of 100 mixed signals. That puts it in the proceed with caution category, not fully reliable. 2. Relatively new and unproven. Domain age, 9 months. That's very young for a fashion brand with thousands of reviews. 3. Suspicious product review patterns. Many products show identical high ratings, e.g. 4.8 stars. Thousands of reviews on nearly every item. That's a common red flag. Real stores usually have more varied, uneven feedback. So is Senslyt real or fake? Short answer, real website, but not fully trustworthy. It's not clearly a scam, but it shows multiple warning signs of a low reliability store. That combination means it's not fake, but definitely not reliable either. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.